Tagalog Sentence Structure Lesson Number 2. In this video, we will study 50 examples following this Filipino sentence pattern. Verb plus ka plus ba. Verb ka ba? Verb ka ba is used to ask about someone's activity or state using various verb tenses, which allows you to ask about past, present, or future actions in a casual, conversational tone. The doer of the action is indicated by the pronoun ka, meaning you. Verb ka ba? Tumawag ka ba? Did you call? Tumawag ka ba? Did you call? Kumain ka ba? Did you eat? Kumain ka ba? Did you eat? Natulog ka ba? Did you sleep? Natulog ka ba? Did you sleep? Umiinom ka ba? Do you drink alcohol? Umiinom ka ba? Do you drink alcohol? Naghilamos ka ba? Did you wash your face? Naghilamos ka ba? Did you wash your face? Nagsipilyo ka ba? Did you brush your teeth? Nagsipilyo ka ba? Did you brush your teeth? Magluluto ka ba? Are you going to cook? Magluluto ka ba? Are you going to cook? Uupo ka ba? Are you going to sit down? Uupo ka ba? Are you going to sit down? Nag-aaral ka ba? Are you studying? Nag-aaral ka ba? Are you studying? Sumasayaw ka ba? Do you dance? Sumasayaw ka ba? Do you dance? Umiyak ka ba? Did you cry? Umiyak ka ba? Did you cry? Umutot ka ba? Did you fart? Umutot ka ba? Did you fart? Aalis ka ba? Are you leaving? Aalis ka ba? Are you leaving? Babalik ka ba? Are you coming back? Babalik ka ba? Are you coming back? Papasok ka ba? Are you going to work? Papasok ka ba? Are you going to work? Naglinis ka ba? Did you clean? Naglinis ka ba? Did you clean? Nagwalis ka ba? Did you sweep the floor? Nagwalis ka ba? Did you sweep the floor? Maglalaba ka ba? Are you going to do the laundry? Maglalaba ka ba? Are you going to do the laundry? Nakikinig ka ba? Are you listening? Nakikinig ka ba? Are you listening? Nakapagpahinga ka ba? Did you get some rest? Nakapagpahinga ka ba? Did you get some rest? Nasaktan ka ba? Did you get hurt? Nasaktan ka ba? Did you get hurt? Tutulong ka ba? Are you going to help? Tutulong ka ba? Are you going to help? Magbabayad ka ba? Are you going to pay? Magbabayad ka ba? Are you going to pay? Nag-grocery ka ba? Did you go grocery shopping? Nag-grocery ka ba? Did you go grocery shopping? Naglalaro ka ba? Are you playing? Naglalaro ka ba? Are you playing? Nanonood ka ba? Are you watching? Nanonood ka ba? Are you watching? Nagkape ka ba? Did you have coffee? Nagkape ka ba? Did you have coffee? Mamamalansya ka ba? Are you going to iron the clothes? Mamamalansya ka ba? Are you going to iron the clothes? Nakapasa ka ba? Did you pass? Nakapasa ka ba? Did you pass? Lalabas ka ba? Are you going out? Lalabas ka ba? Are you going out? Pumalak pa ka ba? Did you clap? Pumalak pa ka ba? Did you clap? Tumango ka ba? Did you nod? Tumango ka ba? Did you nod? Umiling ka ba? Did you shake your head? Umiling ka ba? Did you shake your head? Nagsusulat ka ba? Are you writing? Nagsusulat ka ba? Are you writing? Bibili ka ba? Are you going to buy? Bibili ka ba? Are you going to buy? Uuwi ka ba? Are you coming home? Uuwi ka ba? Are you coming home? Naliligo ka ba? Are you taking a shower? Naliligo ka ba? Are you taking a shower? Sumigaw ka ba? Did you shout? Sumigaw ka ba? Did you shout? Hihinto ka ba? Are you going to stop? Hihinto ka ba? Are you going to stop? Lilipat ka ba? Are you going to move? Lilipat ka ba? Are you going to move? Nagrereklamo ka ba? Are you complaining? Nagrereklamo ka ba? Are you complaining? Hihiga ka ba? Are you going to lie down? Hihiga ka ba? Are you going to lie down? Sumali ka ba? Did you join or did you sign up? Sumali ka ba? Did you join or did you sign up? Sasama ka ba? Are you coming? Sasama ka ba? Are you coming? Nagsuklay ka ba? Did you comb your hair? Nagsuklay ka ba? Did you comb your hair? Nagmumura ka ba? Do you cuss? Nagmumura ka ba? Do you cuss? Sumagot ka ba? Did you reply? Sumagot ka ba? Did you reply? Nagtanong ka ba? Did you ask? Nagtanong ka ba? Did you ask? Maglalakad ka ba? Are you going to walk? Maglalakad ka ba? Are you going to walk? Sasakay ka ba? Are you getting in? Sasakay ka ba? Are you getting in?